Hey there, food lovers, ready to make something incredible? Forget those complicated recipes. Today we're tackling a classic homemade chili. It's easy, it's fast, and the flavor, let's just say you'll be craving seconds and maybe even thirds. This isn't just any chili though. This is about to become your go-to comfort food. Imagine a cold evening, a warm bowl in your hands, and the rich aroma of spices filling the air. Get ready because we're about to make that happen. Before we fire up the stove, let's gather our ingredients. This is the foundation of our delicious chili, and getting everything ready beforehand will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and delicious. Here's what you'll need. First up, ground beef, the heart of our chili. This will give our dish a rich, meaty flavor that forms the base of our hearty meal. Make sure to choose good quality beef for the best results. Next, onion, which adds a touch of sweetness and depth to our chili. When sautéed, it releases a wonderful aroma that sets the stage for the rest of the ingredients. Garlic, because every good dish needs some garlic, it brings a robust flavor that complements the beef and onions perfectly. Don't skimp on this one. Canned diced tomatoes, bursting with flavor and juiciness. They add a tangy note and a bit of acidity that balances the richness of the beef. Kidney beans, for that classic chili texture. They not only add bulk to the dish, but also provide a nice contrast to the meat with their firm texture. Chili powder, the spice of life. This is what gives our chili its signature heat and vibrant color. Adjust the amount to suit your taste. Cumin adds a warm, earthy note that enhances the overall flavor profile of the chili. It's a must-have spice for that authentic taste. Salt and pepper to taste, of course. These basic seasonings are essential to bring out the flavors of all the other ingredients. See? Nothing too crazy. Just good, honest ingredients ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece. With these simple yet flavorful components, we're all set to create a chili that will warm your heart and satisfy your taste buds. Let's get cooking. Now, the fun part begins. Cooking chili is not just about following a recipe, it's about creating a dish that brings warmth and comfort to your soul. So let's dive in and transform these simple ingredients into a chili masterpiece that will have you singing its praises. First, let's gather all our ingredients. Make sure you have everything ready and within reach. This will make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. We're talking about ground beef, onions, garlic, canned diced tomatoes, kidney beans, chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in building the layers of flavor in our chili. Now grab a large pot and heat it over medium heat. This is where the magic starts. The pot is like the stage, and our ingredients are the performers ready to put on a show. Add your ground beef to the pot. Cook it until it's beautifully browned, making sure there are no pink bits left. Browning the beef not only cooks it, but also adds a rich, savory flavor to our chili. Next, toss in your diced onion and minced garlic. These two ingredients are the aromatic foundation of our chili. They add depth and complexity to the flavor profile. Cook the onions and garlic with the beef until they soften and release their incredible aroma. This step is crucial as it ensures that the flavors meld together perfectly. Now it's time to build those layers of flavor. This is where our chili starts to come to life. Add your canned diced tomatoes. These tomatoes add a tangy sweetness that balances the richness of the beef. Next, add the kidney beans. They not only add texture, but also make our chili hearty and filling. Then, sprinkle in the chili powder. This is the spice that gives our chili its signature kick. Don't forget the cumin, salt and pepper. Cumin adds a warm, earthy flavor, while salt and pepper enhance all the other flavors. Give everything a good stir. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined and coated with the spices. Bring the chili to a boil. This helps to meld all the flavors together. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. This slow cooking process allows all the ingredients to break down and blend together, creating a rich and flavorful chili. The simmering time is crucial. It allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious and delicious dish. See? Easy as pie. And trust me, the aroma filling your kitchen will have your mouth watering. There's nothing quite like the smell of homemade chili simmering on the stove. It's a scent that promises warmth, comfort, and a delicious meal to come. So get ready to enjoy your chili masterpiece. Section 4, Chili Perfection. Done after 30 minutes, your chili is ready to rock your world. Grab a spoon and give it a taste. Need a bit more salt, a touch more cumin? Adjust to your liking because this is your culinary masterpiece. Ladle that steaming chili into bowls and get ready for pure comfort food bliss. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it's incredibly satisfying. The best part, you made this, and it was easy. See, cooking delicious food doesn't have to be complicated. Section 5. Elevate your chili game. Want to take your chili to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there are always new ways to enhance your chili. Here are a few ideas to transform your chili from good to unforgettable. Spice it up. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. These ingredients can bring a new depth of flavor and a bit of heat that will tantalize your taste buds. Creamy dreaminess. Stir in a dollop of sour cream or Greek yogurt for a cool and creamy contrast. This not only balances the heat, but also adds a rich, velvety texture to your chili. Top it off. Chopped onions, shredded cheese, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro add texture and flavor. These toppings can elevate the visual appeal and provide a burst of freshness with every bite. Get creative and make it your own. Experiment with unique ingredients like avocado slices, crushed tortilla chips, or even a squeeze of lime juice. The possibilities are endless. There's no wrong way to enjoy a bowl of homemade chili. Whether you like it spicy, creamy, or loaded with toppings, the best chili is the one that makes you smile. So gather your loved ones, share your culinary creation, and savor every delicious spoonful. Section 6. Ready for more kitchen adventures? So, you've conquered chili night, feeling like a culinary champion? I knew you would. Now that you've seen how easy and rewarding cooking can be, don't stop there. There's a whole world of delicious recipes out there waiting for you to discover them. Stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes that will make you feel like a master chef. Until then, happy cooking.